Okay, in our last class, I have discussed about composition of function. So let you have two functions. For example, f is a function from a to b, and g is a function from b to c. Okay, so we have two functions like this. যদি এনেকুৱা দুটা functions থাকে with the codomain of this f is equal to the domain of a. ইয়াৰ প্ৰথম ফাংচনটোৰ codomain, এটাৰ codomain is equal to আনটোৰ domain, then we can combine these two functions and make another function. For example, what will be the function? So function will be something which goes from a to b, then b to c. So a to b conveys f. So we'll write f first. F is going from a to b. Now this after that কি কৰিব লাগিব? G ল'ব লাগিব. So f. So this will be a function from a to c via b. Okay, via b মানে এই ফাংশনটো কি হ'ব? a পৰা c লৈ যাব b ফালে দি. Okay, so it's like this. So you have a function a এটা আছে ইয়াত. This is a, তাৰপিছত এইটো আছে b আৰু এইটো আছে c. Okay, so আমাৰ কি আছিলে? This is our f and this is my g. Then we can have a function from this. Okay, so this will be what? G of f, which is a function from a to c. So definition to কেনেকুৱা হ'ব? যেতিয়া আমি ওলাম যিকোনো ফাংশনটোৰ g of f of, for example, x ওলাম. So this will be basically g তাৰপিছত f of x. That's it. So that is the thing. So this will be clear from the examples, but pictorially you have to remember that basically what you have it this b function, this b set. So this b set is very important. Okay, so this b set is a codomain of the first function and domain of the second function, and they should be equal. If they are not equal, then we can't talk about composition of functions. Composition of function means we combine two given function and make a function out of them. Okay, that's it. Actually, whenever a few functions are given to you, you can combine few functions so that they can be combined. They can be combined and you can make a function out of that. Okay, in most of the real functions, what happens is a, b, c গোটেইকেইটা equal থাকে. A is the set of real number, b is set of real number, c is also set of real number. In this case, we can define f of g, g of f, and f of g both. Okay, there will be some cases like this. Okay, and if we have a function from, for example, f is a function from a to a. Okay, a to a যদি মোৰ function এটা আছে, and if I can define one function g, g এটা function আছে, this is what from a to a again. Okay, so there will be something like f of g we can define, so which is equal to I of a. Okay, so what is I of a? I of a means you have a here, you have a here. So here give x, y, z, এনেকুৱা term থাকিব, ইয়াতো কি থাকিব x, y, z, because this is a, this a, these are two copies of a. So if x goes to x, y goes to y, z goes to z, so any point sub point নিজৰ যেটা যায় এটা কি হয় identity হয়. So this is called identity of a. Okay, so these are the few things which will be necessary to solve our exercises. So exercise kita solve for I mean clear হয়ে যাবে আমার কথা. So here is the first example, first exercise. So I have gone through the examples in our last class, so we can do few problems from the exercise today. So let's see the first question. So here is the first question. f is a function from 1 to 1 3 4 to 1 to 5, and g is a function from 1 to 5 to 1 to 1 3. So you can see which of these two functions are possible. F or g possible and g or f possible. So you see codomain of f is equal to domain of g. So our function which will be possible, প্রথম কি হব লাগে, প্রথম ফাংশন তো এই সেটৰ পৰা 1 to 4 ৰ পৰা 1 to 5 যাব আৰু 1 to 5 ৰ পৰা 1 3 যাব. So we are basically, which one is possible? G of f is possible. F of g is not possible. F of g কিয় possible না, প্ৰথম যদি মই g কৰো, g is going from 1 to 5 to 1 3, but this is not 1 3, right? It is 1 3 4. So therefore g of f is not possible. But f or g is not possible, but g of f is possible. So bottom as f over g. So this is a little bit reversed. Okay, writing is reversed. Bottom g f over g. This is like this. We go from right to left. Okay, so this is the case that function to dr f is 1 2 3 4 4 1. So in this notation you can see clearly that f here, f is going to 2, 1 is going to 2, 3 is going to 5, 4 is going to 1. And under g, 1 is going to 3, 2 is going to 3, and 5 is going to 1. So I'm going to g of f. So let's go try to do it. Okay, so here I have written the questions. So our aim is to find, we have to find what? So here, kuntu equal as we have, if I draw it, I will draw this thing as, okay, let me make this set 1 3 4, except 1 2 5, g can give 1 to 5 to 1 3. So this is 1 3. Okay, so our function is from this set to this set, so which is what? F, and this is what? G. So you see, I can make a function so that we can have a function from this to this, this to this, via this set. Okay, so this will be what? This will be basically g of f. Okay, g of f কি লিখিছো, প্রথম আমি g f করি, তারপর g করি. Okay, so it will be in reverse direction. Okay, so which from this kuntu point for 1 is going to 2, so 1 will go to 2, 3 is going to 5, so 3 is going to 5, and 4 is going to 1, so 4 is going to 1. Under g, 1 is going to 3, so this 1 is going to 3, 2 is going to 3, 3 is also going to 3, and 5 is going to 1. 5 is going to 1. Oh, okay. Control Z. 5 is going to 1. Okay, so that is the thing. Now our aim is to find what? G of f. Okay, so g of f is a function from 1 3 4 to 1 3. So you write g of f is a function from the set 1 3 4 to what? 1 3. Now we have to find the value, each function value of this point under g of f. So we have to find g of f of first point is 1, which is basically g of f of 1. Okay, so this will be g of, what is f of 1? F of 1 is 2, so this will be 2. Now again, what is g of 2? G of 2 is 3. So basically we have got g of f of 1 is 3, so 1 goes to 3, so this 1 will go to what? 3. Next, g of f of, next item 3, so this will be g f of 3. After that, this is g. What is f of 3? 3 goes to 5, so this will be g of 5. What is f of 5 again? G of 5. G of 5 is 1, so this is 1. So 3 is going to 1. So 3 will go to 1. Next, we have to find g of f of what? 4. So this will be g f of 4. And what is f of 4? F of 4 is 1. This will be g of 1. The g of 1, g of 1 is 3. So 4 is going to 3. So this is the answer. So basically we have done the question number 1. Now see the next question. So here f, g, h are functions from set R to R, and we have to show that f plus g of R h is equal to f of g f of h plus g of h, and f dot g of h equal to f of h dot g of h. Okay, this is what we have to show. So basically we'll take arbitrary element, we'll show that they both are equal. So let's try to do it. So in question number 2 we have to show this one. F G is a function from R to R, and we have to show this. Okay, so these two functions will be equal if they are equal in the corresponding uh, point. Okay, if they are equal in the point, every point will say that they are equal. Okay. So you know what is f plus g, right? F plus g. If you have a function f from R to R, okay, if then g is a function from R to R, then we can define a function f plus g from R to R such that f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Okay, this thing we can do. Okay. So by applying this definition and what and definition of f o g of x, which is what g of it should be f g of x. So by using this definition, we'll try to prove this one. Okay, so that is our aim. So let's try to do it. Okay, so we'll start with let x belongs to R. Okay, we want to show that, but we want to show f plus g of h. Okay, this thing is equal to f o g plus g o h of x. This is what I want to show. Okay, so this is what I want to show. Okay, this one. Okay, so we'll start with left hand side. So we'll start with f plus g of h of x. This is what I want to find. So this will be what? Which one of the definition will be used here? So you have to see. So this f plus z. This is f plus z. This is one function. Composition with h. So I have to use the definition of composition. So this will be basically, this will be equal to what? F plus g of h x. Okay, so I have used the definition of composition. after that, next step. So this is what definition of composition have been used. Now this will be now what? Now definition of addition we have to use this. F plus g of x is what? F of x plus g of x. So this will be what? Using the definition of addition of function, this will be h g h of x plus g h of x. Got it? So this is addition of function. Addition of function. Now g of h of x. What is this? By definition of composition, this is what? Sorry, f h of x is f o h of x. Okay. G h of g h x is what? G of h of x. So this is again definition of composition. Okay. Now by definition of addition, this will be what? F of g plus g of h of x. Okay. So therefore, what we got? F plus g of h is equal to f of h plus g of h. Okay. So this is the thing. Okay. Because we have seen that for a point x, these two are equal, so therefore they must be equal because x is an arbitrary point here. Okay. That is it. So next part is very much similar to that of first this part. So here you have to use the multiplication function. The multiplication definition of multiplication function. So f dot g of x is what? Fx dot gx. So that is what you have to use. So I keep the thing as a homework for you people. Okay, that is the thing. So next we will be doing the question number 3. So question number 3 is what you have to find out. Yes, here we are not given from where f is a function to which set, and from where g is a function to which set. Okay. F to 4 per 4 function g to 4 per 4 function গুলো দিয়া নাই তার মানে আমি সামনে আরো পর আরো হয় বলে আমি ধরলাম it's like possible values of x যার কারণে এইগুলা define আর এইটা যেটা তো এটা and you can see we have absolute value here, we have absolute value here. So this will be a function from r to r. Okay, so you are basically confused about like. So we'll try to do the question number 1. So what is this? G of f or f of g and we'll have again x into d as g into d as. Let's try to see that. Here is this problem. So let's try to do it. So these are basically here f or g corpa f and g are functions from r to r actually. So when it is something nothing is given here, so আমি কি ধরিব লাগিব f r উপর r হয় root g হয় r upon r. Okay. So these are the things which are given. So you see domain of here codomain or here domain ak, here codomain or here domain ak. So therefore this f of g and g of f both are defined. Huh? Defined. It is defined. So we can find that. Okay. So let's try to do it. Okay. So we'll do f of g of x. So what is this? So this will be from the definition, you know, this is f g of x. Okay. Now, what is g of x? G of x is absolute value of x minus 2. So this is what f of 5x minus 2 absolute value of this. Okay, this is given. That's it here. Next, you have to find f of this term. So f of this term here, f of here, f of x is absolute value of x So this will be absolute value of 5x minus 2. Okay, so which is basically কি হবে এটা absolute value এবার ললে কি হয় এবার ললে দুবার ললে একই কথা है না so absolute value of -2 কি হয় 2 যদি মই দুবার লওঁ so this will be absolute value of 2 which is equal to again 2 है না এবার ললে 2 পালো আকৌ এবার ললে 2 পালো একে থাকিল so দুবার লওয়া মানে এবার লওয়া একই কথা so this will be absolute value of 5x minus 2. Okay, so this is what you can see that a2 আর এটা একই হল না ঠিক আছে so therefore g of f of g is equal to what g. That's it. Okay, so similarly we will do the next কি বলাবো লাগে g of x. G of x বলাবো লাগে so okay let's I will do it for you. So yes, so we have to find g of okay so this is what we need to find. So what you will do is you start with g of f of x. Okay, by the definition this is what g f of x itu mana f of x here f of x called absolute value of x. So we write this is absolute value of x. Okay, come to check. Okay, this is absolute value of x. So which is basically what yeah g of absolute value of x here g of x is what 5x minus 2 whole absolute value. So this will be what this will be basically 5 x per jagah rahibo absolute value of x minus 2 whole absolute value. So this will be this. Okay, so একটু আমি নাইকিয়া করব নোৱাৰো okay because this has significance because you see these two are not equal actually. You can see 5x minus 2 this is not equal to 5 absolute value of x minus 2. These two are not equal. Why? Because you see that x equal to minus 2 over then left hand side কি হবে left hand side is 5 minus 2 minus 2 so this is minus 2 to go minus 10 minus 2 which is equal to minus 12 which is equal to 12 right? This is 12. So similarly right hand side কি হবে right hand side you can see this is absolute value of 5 absolute value of minus 2 so it should be minus 2 okay this should be 5 minus 2 absolute value minus 2 okay so which is equal to 5 absolute value of minus 2 is 2 minus 2 so what is this is 10 minus 2 which is equal to absolute value of 8 which is equal to 8. So we say left hand side is not equal to right hand side because we had a 12 here and we have an 8 here. Okay, so because these two are not equal. Okay, so this is the g of. Similarly, I would like you to do this example number, exercise number 3(2). Okay, now you see the question number 4. 4 here f area set 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4 x is not equal to 2 by 3 so that f of f is equal to x so what is the inverse of f here okay so let's try to see okay so this is the question where you have a f here fx here so x here so f of x is given by this 4x is not equal to 2 by 3 it is defined and you have to so that this is so f4 f is a function from r minus 2 by 3 to where to r minus 2 by 3 all right minus 2 by 3. Okay, so 2 by 3 at value 2 nahe. Okay, this is the thing. So f of x equal f of x equal to value আমি দেখাব লাগে. So this is the thing. মানে কি কৰিব লাগে? প্ৰথম আমি কিবা এটা value লম. I'll start from the x here. So x will go to somewhere. I don't know where. So it will be here. Okay. Again, I will take that value, and because that value is also here, then again we will take it, and this will be here. Okay. This is the thing. Or it will be better if I just try to do it in a different way. So let's do it like this. So I'll take r minus 2 by 3 here again. Okay. So we'll take like this. This is also f. Okay. f for always was f here for here for here to s. So this two are both f. Okay. So I can take like this, right? Attack it but go as a so it's like this. Okay, for example, যদি এটা অলপ complex দেখি আছে, so just find this one. For example, f of x equal to 2x. Okay, so প্রথম আমি f of 2 লালো কি পালো, যদি মই ওলাব লাগে f of 2, so that will be what f of 2 মানে কি 2 হবে. So this is like this. So what will be f of 2 under this function? This will be 4. Again, what will be f of 4 under this function? This will be 8. Okay, f of 2 is what? 8. Similar to this, we can find this thing also. Okay, function to value body is very equal behave 1. Okay, so that is the thing. So it is not very tough or easy. We just have to follow the procedure and definition as given. Okay, that's it. Okay, so that is the thing. So you don't have to worry too much in these functions and all these things, but only you have to have the confidence to apply the definition as given. Okay, so let's try to do it. So we have to find f of x. Okay, so what will be this? So this will be f of x. Okay, so which is f of, what is f of x? 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. Okay. What is this? Now again you have to find f of this thing. So this will be basically 4. The x on the other can you put together. So put on formula to put to 4 x x there 8 can you put over. So this will be 4 into 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. That is a plus 3. Third case is 6x on the other 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. That is minus 4. Okay, you can pause the video here and try to simplify this and come. Okay. So let's try to do it. So you have to multiply this quantity by 4. So this will be 4 minus 16x plus 12 divided by 6x minus 4 plus 3. It will multiply with 6 4 is 24 x plus 18 divided by 6x minus 4 minus 4. Okay, so that is the thing. The next step you have to take the LCM in the both numerator and denominator. So I'll take the LCM. This will be 6x minus 4, 16x plus 12 plus 3 into 6x minus 4 divided by 24x minus 8 minus 4 into 6x minus 4, 6x minus 4. Okay, so these are things that you take away to cancel it. Okay, you cancel these two things. That's it. So try to write here. So this will be like numerator denominator are equal to cancelable. So this will be 16 plus 12, 16x plus 12 plus 18x minus 12, 24x minus 8 minus 6 into 4 is what? 6 into 4 is 24x minus minus plus 16 into 4, 18, 8, 16, 18 plus 16 is what? 18x, 16x plus 18x is equal to 34, 34x, 12 minus 12 is 0, and here 24 minus 24 will be 0, so this will be 8 here. Now we have to 8 by divided by 8, so it will now null here. So I think I have done some mistake somewhere, so you try to find out yourself and see. So I think you have done this yourself. Yes, I have rectified the calculation mistakes. You can just pause these videos and try to go through this. Yeah, so we got this. So now, from the definition of inverse of the function, what was the inverse of the function? Okay, now definition of inverse of the function. Inverse. What was that? Inverse of a function. So if you have a function, for example, f from a to b, and you have another function g from b to a. Okay, if f of g is equal to identity b and g of f is equal to identity a, we say that g is the inverse of f, or f is the inverse of g. So in this function, we have seen that f of f is f of f, f of f of x is equal to x, which is basically which implies that f of f is what? I is the identity. Okay, here a is not given, so it's okay. Here it is the identity. As this is the identity, we can say that this implies what will be inverse of f. Inverse of f is f itself. Okay, okay, itself, spelling of itself is gone wrong. It should be itself. Okay, f itself. So f is like this. Okay. Okay, we'll stop here for this session, and we'll do the rest of the problem in our next class. And I would like you to go through a few of them yourself and try to see if you can do. Okay.